I'm horrible at taking videos. Let's see how this works. Can't see him, but I just found out from a woodpecker documentary that this particular woodpecker, all of the male and the females are all born with this red when they're born, and when the females get older, I can't remember if it's about a year or not quite sure, that it disappears on the females, but the males it stays on. So I'm assuming this is a boy. I hope he's okay. We'll let him go. I'll see if he'll fly, but he seems pretty content right now. Doesn't appear to have broken anything. His head was cocked to the side when I picked him up, and his mouth was open. So I'm hoping it's just him just taking in the Reiki. Reiki is pretty powerful, and when you have Reiki done, you really don't want to move because it feels too good. You just want to feel that feeling all the time. It's a very relaxing feeling. As you can see his eyes, that's how it feels when you're having Reiki. You're just like, oh, that feels so great. Raphael is joining in. Raphael, go away.